In this video, you will learn about 50 important car parts in English, along with simple and easy sentences to help you understand and speak better. Parts of car. Piston. Piston. The piston moves up and down. Cylinder. Cylinder. The cylinder holds the piston. Crankshaft. Crankshaft. The crankshaft turns the engine. Camshaft. Camshaft. The camshaft controls the valves. Timing belt. Timing belt. The timing belt keeps parts in sync. Timing chain. Timing chain. The timing chain is very strong. Fuel injector. Fuel injector. The fuel injector sprays fuel. Throttle. Throttle. The throttle controls speed. Radiator fan. Radiator fan. The radiator fan cools the engine. Coolant tank. Coolant tank. The coolant tank stores liquid. Brake pad. Brake pad. The brake pad stops the car. Brake disc. Brake disc. The brake disc rotates with the wheel. Brake caliper. Brake caliper. The caliper holds the brake pads. Handbrake. Handbrake. The handbrake holds the car. Clutch pedal. Clutch pedal. The clutch pedal changes gears. Accelerator pedal. Accelerator pedal. The accelerator makes the car faster. Brake pedal. Brake pedal. The brake pedal slows the car. Gear lever. Gear lever. The gear lever changes gears. Drive shaft. Drive shaft. The drive shaft sends power. Differential. Differential. The differential helps wheels turn. Transmission. Transmission. The transmission transfers power. Muffler. Muffler. The muffler reduces noise. Catalytic converter. Catalytic converter. It cleans exhaust gases. Exhaust manifold. Exhaust manifold. It collects exhaust gases. Intake manifold. Intake manifold. It brings air inside. Air intake. Air intake. Air intake supplies air. Fuel line. Fuel line. Fuel flows in the line. Oil pump. Oil pump. The oil pump moves oil. Water pump. Water pump. The water pump cools engine. Thermostat. Thermostat. It controls temperature. Fuse. Fuse. The fuse protects circuits. Fuse box. Fuse box. The fuse box holds fuses. Relay. Relay. The relay controls electricity. Ignition coil. Ignition coil. It creates spark. Ignition switch. Ignition switch. It starts the car. Horn. Horn. The horn makes sound. Speedometer. Speedometer. It shows speed. Odometer. Odometer. It shows distance. Tachometer. Tachometer. It shows engine speed. Glove box. Glove box. It stores small items. Sun visor. Sun visor. It blocks sunlight. Rearview mirror. Rearview mirror. It shows behind. Seat adjuster. Seat adjuster. It adjusts the seat. Headrest. Headrest. It supports the head. Door lock. Door lock. It locks the door. Child lock. Child lock. It protects children. Window switch. Window switch. It opens the window. Central locking. Central locking. It locks all doors. Parking sensor. Parking sensor. It helps in parking. Rear camera. Rear camera. It shows the back view.